Hi all, I'm Kavita Botra. Welcome to my channel, Creative Recipes by Kavita. Today I'm going to teach you a beetroot paneer roll. The inspiration for this roll I got when I was traveling to Rajasthan and I just happened to visit a grocery store. There I saw a 2-layered and a 3-layered papad. So I thought, okay, let me create some roll with this. And then I worked on the filling. The filling is really very interesting. It's made of caramelized onion peanut sauce, which gives it a very nice flavor. So let's get started. We need olive oil, dry red chilies, onions roughly chopped, dry oregano, chili flakes, onions again for the gravy. This is beetroot puree, bell peppers, paneer, peanuts, white pepper, salt, sweet chili sauce, garlic, just a little bit of sugar, and we need atta. This is atta, it's not maida. 50 grams in 2 separate bowls. So now first we'll start preparing the gravy because it's going to take some time. So first we're going to add the olive oil. Two to 3 cloves of garlic, onions, dry red chili, and we are going to let this caramelize. We have to fry the onions till they are completely caramelized. That's the onion till the onion turns brown. Till that's happening, let's start preparing the dough. So for the dough, we are going to add little bit of oregano in both, little chili flakes, salt, white pepper, and just a pinch of sugar, less than half teaspoon of olive oil, and one mixture we are going to mix it with the beetroot puree and the other one with plain water and knead the dough. So here I have already prepared the dough. It looks something like this. Caramelized, we'll just add the peanuts and let it fry for a few more seconds and then turn off the flame. So now we see how beautifully our onions are caramelized. So we have to puree this mixture. So I've already pureed it. It looks something like this. Okay? Yeah. Now we'll start making the rotis. So for the rotis, we have to take the atta and mix it like this. Equally, and cut it. So now you see we have to make round balls like this. So we are getting the double layer and it's looking so beautiful. Now we start making the rotis. Make sure that you just take little bit of atta, the dry atta, and not much. If you take lots, then the color will not come off well. So our roti is ready. we'll have to just roast it on the tawa. Make sure that you don't roast it completely. So I've already prepared the rotis and kept. They look something like this. We have to fill in the gravy in this. So now let's start preparing the final gravy. So for that we are going to add some olive oil, onions, diced onions, bell peppers, and fry it for some time. Till the veggies are getting fried, let's add some spices like just a pinch of sugar, some salt, dry oregano, some chili flakes, paneer, and saute for some more time. Now this mixture is ready. Now we'll add the gravy which we had prepared earlier, the caramelized onion peanut sauce. Give it a nice mix. The caramelized onion and the peanuts give a very good flavor to the roll. Now we're going to add little sweet chili sauce to this, around 2 teaspoons. So our roll will have a little bit of sweet, tangy and spicy flavor. Make sure you don't add any water to this because we want our gravy to be thick because we are going to fill it in the rolls. Now all the elements are ready. Let's assemble them together. So we take the rotis, put in some filling like this. And roll it up. We are going to tie it with some either we can take spring onion leaf. We'll just trim it a little. And then we'll just, to make it more interesting, we'll just give it a cut so it looks even more nice. Now it's time to just roast these rolls on the tawa with some olive oil. Olive oil or ghee, anything can be used. Now our rolls are ready. So we just take it and start plating it. You can give some tomato sauce, and the part which we had cut of the roti, I just fried them, so we can just some crispiness with the rolls. So here it is, a beetroot paneer roll. So now our rolls are ready. So friends, if you have liked this recipe, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.